There's so many more options these days for hostess gifts to give everybody that you're gonna go see this Christmas, or to even keep at home for yourself and just buy yourself with something a little nice for the holidays. If you're into the green and white kind of theme and color, I pulled all these together for your virtual visual delight. We have here a rosemary, a tree-shaped rosemary, and this is so great because then after the holiday season's over, you can plant it out in your garden and of course harvest rosemary for all of your cooking right off of this tree. I love this wreath so much. I just think it's like a classic English look and just something really beautiful to put as a tabletop. On a tabletop or in a container outside, and maybe have 3 that match or 2 flanking a door that match. Really beautiful. This is a form of cypress. It's got a limey color to it, so it's going to give a little bit of a variation to the traditional darker green colors that we're so used to seeing in our garden. I like to add something like this, and it also has such a great smell too. The rosemary as well. If you rub it or you rub your hands together, you can smell it. It's got a really great holiday smell to it. And you guys, I can't pronounce this plant, but Kalanchoe, I think is how you pronounce it. But this comes in so many different colors. It comes in bright orange and pinks and reds and yellows, oranges, the color of the rainbow basically. And they're so easy to care for. They bloom prolifically, and they can be outside on your tabletop as well. And then of course I've added some containers to just dress them up. So if you put them in your house or give them to somebody, the container is something that really sets it off, and it creates that variation in height that you need. If you're putting it on a tabletop, you can choose whether you want it to run low or you need some height. And then of course we've talked about before, but I did want to mention again that these are the perfect place to string lights around, some fairy lights for this scale. You want to make sure that your scale is right with your accessories that you add, but you can add fairy lights here, pretend like this is a little Christmas tree, put fairy lights here, get the little ornaments and dress it up, and again, it'll make a great thing for the kids to put together for Christmas as well. So get creative with it. A plant, a container, and just a few accessories are all you need to just make a really beautiful composition.